What is about to happen is a total sacrifice. Two options that is open. Very soon, and towards the end of the year, you have three types of PDP in Nigeria. PDAPC. Yes or no? Yes. You have Aborigine PDP. Then you have nomadic PDP. You said just now, I didn't say PDP when I came, yes? You know, I did not use the word PDP. Did I use it? Because I know that the party is cancerous, is crippled. He has no wife. The children have abandoned him. He's in ICU. Those who form PDP, it is not G34 that form PDP. Those who form PDP are retired generals who use G34 because they have no structure. That's the article I made after winning Adamawa governor. He was compelled to come and be running me to the man they brought out of prison. Because the man they brought out of prison has no structure. That's how PDM and co form. So, nomadic PDP are those who came from APP, who came from ACN, and they said they are now the owner of the house. No matter how you stay as a tenant, it's a man's house. You are not a landlord. Yes or no? Even if the landlord, because you are so handsome, he will give you his daughter, and you marry the daughter, and the daughter gives birth. That child will not inherit the guilt. Oh, no.